Back here at the office, let's see what's going on here today. Busy spring day. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Oh, let's compare estimates from 2013 to now. Let's see if anything's changed. Let's see. You know it. You know it. Did you hear about that, Caitlin? People want to price things from 2013 to now. What do you think it is?
Somebody put it in the thing.
2013 to now. I bet it'll be the same.
No, she knew it wouldn't be the same. She was asking.
I know, but I bet fell out of my chair when I heard that. I'm like, okay, well, what's changed since then? All right, we got to get back out here on the road. We got to get back out on the road, Miss Caitlin, Caitlin. Then I've got to come back in and help her with that quote. All right, we're gonna get back out here. Gonna head down to Clinton. See what's going on in Clinton. A-Sign has wrapped another truck for us today. That's looking pretty sweet. Picked up 2 of them a couple weeks ago that they dropped off at the rail station for us. Enterprise, part of our lease deal. All right, head down to Clinton. Come along with us, and we'll see you guys down there. What do you want? What do you want, buddy?
Oh, man, I just want to make sure.
What do you want? What do you want? You got it, the other door.
You got the box?
Yeah.
All right.
How's your morning going?
Good, good.
Good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You want to work here all summer?
Yeah.
I thought you were going back to Guatemala for a little bit.
Not yet. When I fly, when I got an emergency.
Gotcha. Other than that, you stay?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because...
Got a lot of family back home?
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's the only time.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
How's Ever doing today? He's taking his medications today?
Yeah. Drinking water.
Drinking water.
Yeah.
Hey, you got any lunch for us?
Yeah.
What you got? We all eating? Is it hot?
Hot.
I see how you guys are. Did you make all this? Did you make all this?
Yeah,
Hey, yeah, they with a different company.
I noticed. Is that rotten?
Huh?
Is that all rotten?
Yeah. So I have these, all this rain kind of messed everybody's schedule.
Yeah.
They were supposed to say everybody come at the same time, had to come out when it's not raining.
Gotcha.
But yeah, I had to do on my garage floor and doing some stuff on my deck.
Gotcha.
They've been working on the deck since January, but it's been raining a lot. I have a big deck, and they have some other things in.
Gotcha.
And we were out. The Terminex guy came by to treat for mosquitoes, and we were talking.
Oh,
he said,
that started one thing to another?
Mr. Evans, you got a bird going up into your wood thing above your window. I don't have any trees. They used to be in my trees. And I used to always hear these birds chirping. I said, what the hell? And they also used to build a nest up top there where that camera is. Yeah. And we had to get that. And then I got the leaf guards. The
inserts.
The inserts. So I got the leaf guard because they used to build nests in that thing. So we looked, that brick, first we saw the bird. I said, wow. So when we walked over there, I noticed the end of the brick over there, where the downspout is, the brick is coming from the wall.
Pulling apart.
And the wood behind it,
that's
because
crazy,
of water.
Did it bird in behind it?
No bird. It's just from the water over a period of time, the house settling.
Yeah.
The brick on that corner is pulling away from the wall, and the wood trim is going bad. So I walked around there, and I started looking. I have a guy in the back. The owner of the company that these guys work for, who's working on the deck. I said, Brian, can you fix the window? He said, yeah. And we started walking around, and we noticed that the trim over here was going bad.
Gotcha. You got a lot going on, don't you?
I've been here 30 years.
Yeah.
So
been here a while.
I guess down in the wood. Some years ago, I had the bay windows replaced because the wood used to be wood when they built the house. And I had them replace that with that. What would they call it?
AZAC. AZAC.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
AZAC?
Yeah.
AZAC?
It's got the plastic embedded all the way through.
Right.
So you'll never have to paint it. You don't want nothing on it. No termites.
So that was done maybe about 11 or 12 so many years ago. The bay windows. And so eventually, you know, we were just talking to my neighbors, all my neighbors.
Oh, that was guy
they all going through
came
the same
across.
problem because the house
Everybody
was
the
by
same?
company. Yeah, so his bay window is over there, it's getting about bad. And
Oh yeah, you can see it
so his
coming down.
trim, So,
Same thing.
Yeah, so all the houses around here, and so.
I didn't think you'd been here 30 years.
Yeah, it was 30 years.
Wow.
When they built the house. My house was built, and then they built the rest of this house to finish.
I remember when they built it, but time flies, doesn't it?
Sure does. Yeah.
Guys, looking good. A lot of work. A lot of work. Gonna look good though when you get it all fixed up.
Yeah, we're gonna fix that one.
Yeah,
He was telling me about the birds. That's crazy, isn't it?
Around the wood. So you're taking a lunch break now.
Lunch.
Yeah, lunch. Time to lunch.
I haven't missed too many lunches.
All right, I text Brian.
Okay.
I need some business cards.
You can get you a lot of business around here. You guys might never leave here all summer.
Oh yeah, they already did something at somebody else's house. They all been asking.
Gotcha. That's good you're getting all this fixed up though. That way you can enjoy your summer, right?
Yeah, that's the plan. Get it done right before the summer. You're right.
Now you can enjoy, relax,
Yes.
enjoy life.
Yeah.
It won't be long. All of us will be boxed up and gone.
Oh yeah.
People don't realize all that. Except for these young guys, you know what I mean? He's looking at us like, oh, these are older guys. I'll never be that age. Yeah,
retired.
that's what you and I said too 50 years ago.
Yeah, my second retirement was 2014. Yep.
Two full careers.
Huh?
2 careers.
Yeah, 2 careers. And now I volunteer with all these veteran organizations and different organizations that take up all my time.
Mm.
American Legion, Veterans of Foreign Wars, Disabled American Veteran.
A lot of people need help,
Church.
right?
Good way to spend your time.
Yeah.
Guys that need it, girls, ladies that need it too, right?
Oh yeah.
Everybody. All of us need help time to time.
Oh yeah. Can't survive on your own.
Nope. A lot of people think that. You can't do that by island on your own, can you?
You're not. You're not.
Grady, you ready?
Think so.
Mr. Evans?
All right.
Pleasure.
Same here.
Good to meet you.
So how long have you been with TLC?
I own TLC. We met years ago. You don't remember.
Oh, you don't.
I was
okay.
wondering. I said, I
Yeah,
wonder if
yeah.
Willie's going to say anything if he remembers.
Yeah.
Maybe I got older.
Yeah. 'Cause I just remember Justin.
Yep.
Because I did a lot of talking with Justin.
He's a good man. He's funny.
Yeah.
He's on the Eastern Shore now, living in Salisbury.
Oh, he is.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's doing okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right.
If you need anything this summer, let me know. But you're in good hands here with Rudy.
Oh,
Rudy's
yeah.
a good man. Rudy!
Rudy, Roberto come out every year.
Yeah, he's always around.
Yep.
Always around. I don't think you need as much anymore. Maybe for some tune-up stuff,
Yeah.
service. You got everything pretty well established, taken care of now.
Yeah.
When
I
your
think
VIP,
I think I got everything.
drainage, lights,
This is just the.
service.
I already got my summer thing, so the water's turned on.
Good for
so
the go.
I guess next is just winterize.
Winterization. Yep.
That'll be next.
Yep. If you need anything, give us
All
a
right,
shout.
appreciate that.
Good to
Appreciate
see you
you
again.
coming out and checking up on the work.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Nice meeting you.
Absolutely. Thanks,
All right.
Mr. Evans.
All right, take care.
Root, y'all good here? Mr. Evans? Make sure you do everything with the controller when you finish later.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're heading up to Crownsville next. Check out another job site, see another client. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.